Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can hide or unhide a chat on your Viber. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end, and with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Viber application. Finally, once you have done that, in order to hide a chat, you want to hold your finger on top of the chat you want to hide, and then this little tab is going to pop up, which is going to say mark as read, pin to top, unmute chat, hide chat, and delete chat. Go ahead and tap on hide chat, and it will tell you to enter a 4-digit pin in order to hide it. So simply go ahead and add a 4-digit pin, and then your chat should be hidden. Once you have hidden a group text or any text, you want to go ahead and search it up by writing the number you had written, and then as you can see, your thing is going to be hidden. Go ahead and open it, and in order to unhide it, just swipe on the right and then scroll down all the way until it says unhide this chat, and you'll have to enter the code one more time. And if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.